Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. Wait, first of all, let me show yesterday's solution, which obviously I didn't make. Like I started recording for the C Unraveled series video, which I had quite left out. I'd like to say, what the hell? This is the top solution, and if you see a solution, it isn't matching at all. Is it? Like it's the top solution, and it isn't even matching. Yeah, this one does. Good. And he also used box shadow, he or she, but okay, never mind. Let's begin with today's solution. So first of all, I'll use body, and obviously not this. Like, let me change the color. Like, I'm making this hexagon using the body, and then I'll use a div, or you know what else we use mostly. I think using a div could make it a little bit lengthy. No, let's use a div still, because at least I can give the sizes together for them. So star, background, and this is what we need. Now let's switch on the difference, and let's give it margin of 100. Okay, now let's make it 90. Yeah, 90 is perfect, and even here 90. 80. Yeah, now we need to change the sizes, so let's make it 120. Yeah, 120 is perfect, and maybe 250 here. So 250, 240. Yeah, 240 is perfect. Now I'll use clip path to make that hexagon structure. Clip path polygon. So this is obviously going to be 0 and 50%. And we also know the other end will be 100% and 50%. Yeah. Now I will take a rough guess that this is 25% and this is 75%, because it looks like quite a lot divided in 4 parts. Let's try. So 25% and 100%. Yeah, it's perfect. You can see here it is perfectly where it should be. So obviously the next one is going to be 75% and 100%. Then we'll go up where it will be not, there will be 75% and 0, then 25% and 0. So the work on the body has been done. Now it's turn for A, but A and body will have the same width and height, so we can simply do this. Body, I had to click enter, closing tag, and then comma A. Now A, first of all I'll give position fixed, then a background, which is going to be this one, paste it, and then clip path, polygon. Now it will have 3 coordinates same to this one, so 0 and 50%. The other one is 25% and 100%, and next one is 25% and 0. So these three coordinates will be same. Now we need to make this stem of the arrow. I would call it stem because I don't know the proper word. And this seems to be like divided in three almost equal divisions. So I'll take a rough guess of 33%. So 33%. Like, let me remove this. Not 33, my bad. 66% will be here, and this will obviously be 25%. Almost there. Let's first take the stem outwards. Now it goes till 75%. So I'll give 75% and 66%. There's a little bit difference, 67, and here also 67. The difference is decreased, or maybe we can give 66.6 and even here 66.6. Now the next value will be upwards, so I'll take it 33.3% here, and here it will be 75%. Now obviously it goes to 25% and 33.3%. Now it's the last one, so 25% and 0. Now let's submit it. And it's a 100% match. Maybe we don't even need this. Just checking. If it increases the score, then why not? Yeah, it does. And maybe we don't even need these. If we do need these, then I'll make it 67 instead. If the score decreases in some case. Yeah, it decreased, so I'll use 67 and 67. Yeah, better. Now let's do this. Because we need to increase the score as much as possible. Now almost there. Let's now submit it and see what is the highest score we get. This was an easy one, I can say that. So 635.2 is our final score. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.